Kia ora, ko Sophie toko e kaua, kei te whare toka aho Otago aho I mahi ana. Hello, my name is Sophie and I'm a science communicator at Otago Museum. In my last videos, I showed you how to find the stars Rigel and Betelgeuse in the constellation of Orion, the huntsman. Like any good hunter, Orion also had a couple of hunting dogs. So today we're going to look for the dog star, also known as Sirius. Now Sirius is a pretty special star because it is the brightest star in the entire night sky. This makes it pretty easy to find, and often it becomes visible in the sky before it is fully dark. Again, we're going to look to the northwest sky, where we'll see Rigel and Betelgeuse just here, with Orion's belt in the middle. Now if you draw a line straight up from Orion's belt, you'll find Sirius right here. Sirius marks the head of one of Orion's hunting dogs, Canis Major, which is why it gets the name the Dog Star. At 8.6 light years away, Sirius is one of Earth's nearest neighbours. Known to Kaitahu as takarua, when the star shines brightly, it was a sign that winter is on its way, which we are definitely starting to feel now. Sirius will be visible from sunset until around 1 AM when it sets in the west. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more of Otago Museum online at our website. We hope to see you when we can back at the museum, but for now, take care.